In this lecture, I am going to tell you some spices used in our kitchen in English. Viewers, if you are watching our video first time, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get more useful lessons, so you can make your English vocabulary better. Like the video, share with your friends and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest so you can get more updates about our lessons. Let's start the lesson. Cardamom brown, cardamom green, cinnamon, turmeric, fennel, cumin seeds, black pepper, nigella seeds, dry fenugreek leaves, carom seeds, mango powder, gooseberry powder, pomegranate seeds, cayenne pepper, cloves, salt, poppy seeds, sesame, fenugreek seeds, star anise, black cumin, bay leaf, coriander seeds, garlic, ginger, dry ginger, mint, nutmeg, saffron, tamarind,